Hello, guys. All you YouTubers, multimillionaires, future millionaires, thanks for spending some time with me. I have another offer for you guys. I want to review. It's by Wesley Virgin. This offer is actually has a lot of great testimonies, and everyone that has gotten it is a big fan, a big raving fan. Everybody showing that they have. I made great success with this offer, so I want to promote this. Here's what the page is going to look like. The link is going to be in the description. Click on it. It'll take you right to that page here. Watch this video here. It's quite long, but watch it to the very end. And this person, Wesley, was actually featured on USA, Yahoo, CBS, NBC, ABC News, and many, many others. He also has three Shark Tank millionaires promote him, that's alone by itself actually speaks a lot for his software. It must be pretty powerful. And basically, what it does, it has a different approach on doing an online business instead of just, oh, here's the software, here's the tools, use them and go for it. What this thing does, it teaches you a mindset, so to speak. You know what I mean? So basically, I don't think you're going to be able to accomplish anything in the world without having the right mindset. If you want to be a successful entrepreneur, if you want to be a billionaire, a millionaire, a wealthy person, or successful in whatever it is that you do, you have to have the right mindset. And this particular software focuses on that, along with, of course, the technical part. It has a series of video that shows you how to work on your mental status and how to execute using the tools that he provides. And people are showing wonderful, wonderful success. If you guys read the statement over here, warning, this video will condition your mind for wealth. And that's exactly what it will do. I'm very, very impressed with this, the results and the testimony that this overnight millionaire, overnight millionaire. And what you want to do is basically, when you're on that page, just finish watching the video, and at the bottom here, just come down, just click on I want this. When you click on it, it will take you to the second page here. And here's what the page looks like. Oh, one thing I want to mention too that's very, very important. Wesley believes in his software so much and his product that he's actually offering 100% money back guarantee, and that speaks volume. I mean, he believes in his product so much that he's willing to actually give you your money back if you don't build success with this program. Get instant access to Overnight Millionaire system plus 7 bonuses. Due to the personal attention, all students receive. Enrollment may close very soon. The price will increase once reopened. So this is a limited time offer, guys. So if you're interested in making money online right now with the quarantine and everybody's stuck at home, some of us might have lost their jobs or whatever the situation may be, you're not making any money. So it's time to educate yourself and explore other avenues. You have to have plan B. You have to have exit strategy. And with a system like this, I mean, at least it's worth a try. You owe it to yourself to give it a try. Right now, the price is actually discounted to $36 only, guys. This is $36 to get started to get your online business started. Oh, wait a minute, over here it says 60-day money back guarantee, so you can actually test drive this program or this software for 60 days, guys. 60 days, and it's all free. The retail value on this software is almost $1,000. It's $997, and today's price is only $37. So you owe it to yourself to at least try it. I mean, he's giving you 60 days to test drive the system, and for any reason whatsoever you feel like it didn't do what it says it's supposed to do, you can always request a refund, and it's a one-time payment, by the way. It's not a reoccurring payment. You just pay one time and that's it. No additional cost with this payment method. You just purchase the software and you start using it immediately. There's a lot of great testimony here. I don't want to play any of that because this thing goes on and on and on. Everybody's just in love with the software, and they're showing great success. And another thing too that I like about Wesley, that he actually he's a great philanthropist. He gives back to the community a lot. He's always offering food for people that need it, homeless people or people that are poverty low, or anyone that needs help. He's always giving back to the community. So he's got a great heart, and he really cares about seeing his students succeed. So you owe it to yourself to give it a try. I'm going to play perhaps maybe a couple minutes of this video here to give you guys an idea on what this is all about. So a minute here. I'm going to increase the speed just a little bit so we're not sitting there waiting.
Shout out to Wesley.
Huge shout out to Wesley Virgin.
Wesley, thank you.
Hi, this is Anka. This is a big shout out to my friend Wesley. You gotta listen to this guy. He will change your life.
5 years ago, I was making $8 an hour. I sent him a message very quickly. I said, yo, Wes, teach me, please. Now I'm the CEO of a virtual agency that grosses $75,000 per month, living the American dream. And it's all because of what I learned from Wes.
Shout out to Wesley, $1 Million Virgin, for changing something that I never knew was wrong with me. I lost both parents this year. I was pretty much at ground zero. I ran into Wesley, and within days, I started changing my mindset, changing my thought. And now I'm at the point where I'm in a car that I never thought I'll be in. Check this out here, guys. This is my new M4 here. Just purchased it here. I'm making thousands of dollars a month.
Wesley's done a fantastic job in becoming very strong in marketing on digital. Wesley, keep up the great work and keep helping people.
Guys, this is Kevin O'Leary from Shark Tank, and he's giving a shout out to Wesley. So that should say something to you there. Wesley's definitely got something powerful to offer his students.
Hi, Wesley Virgin. This is a shout out to you, Wes.
This is Bethany. Also, she's a Shark Tank personnel. She's giving a shout out to Wesley. So that's there. That just tells you that even millionaires and billionaires are promoting this program because it's actually pretty powerful.
You are helloing a ton of people, changing their mindset to live their dreams. Keep changing the world for the better.
I was 12 grand in debt, personal credit card debt. Now I'm a lot more confident. I'm feeling a lot more strong. And more importantly, I don't work at the car sales lot anymore.
I'm not paid to say anything that I'm about to say. I'm just a regular Joe who used to make $17 an hour, and now I make over $35,000 a month. Just recently, after I physically met Wesley, I now have 2 extra revenue streams of income. And in less than a year, my life has changed. My family's life has changed. And I would love to say thank you so much, Wesley Virgin.
Huge shout going out to Wes for being a marketing genius and a master influencer. So nothing but respect for my Ice-T.
And for those of you guys that don't know, this is also another celebrity, Ice-T. He's a rap artist. He's he's also an actor and a rapper. He's very successful, and he's giving a shout out to Wesley.
Numbers respect to you, Wes, and continue to help people get this stuff together so they can eliminate the limit.
There I was, looking through the end of an AR-15 gun. Anyway, guys, so
I think this particular part over here, he's talking about when Wesley was in the military. He served some time in the military. When he got out, he learned a lot of skills while he was in the military that helped him develop the system that he has right now. Basically, he was able to learn a lot of discipline and to be focused, like laser focused on his mission. And sure enough, he did do it, and he became very successful. He's a multi-millionaire, and he wants to share his wealth with the rest of the world. So you guys give it a shot. 100% money back guarantee, and as you guys can see down there, you get 60 days to try this program. We're talking $37. I mean, give me a break. For anybody to start an online business for $37, that is absolutely incredible. And the best part about it, you have 2 months to try it out, and if it doesn't work, you can always get your money back. But apparently he believes in his product 100%. That's why he's willing to put his money where his mouth is. So I hope this video has helped you guys, and don't waste any more time. Actually, over here, there's no time to be wasted at all, because even if you do to decide to move forward with this, you have 60 days to try it out. So if it works, you're in a good place. If it doesn't work, you can always go back and ask for a refund. But I'm almost 100% sure, if you guys listen to the testimonies and how, like this one particular lady, when she was talking about she was making minimum wage, $5 an hour or whatever it is, and now she's making $75,000 a month, and she's a CEO of her company. And those testimonies go on and on and on. And that other gentleman too was making, it started out from $17 to making $17 an hour to making $35,000 a month. So there's a lot of proof. What's the word? The proof is in the pudding. So these people actually tried it out, and they actually were able to receive results. So I wish you guys the best luck. Again, my name is Ali. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also tick the bell icon so you won't miss out on any new upcoming videos. I'm publishing as much as I can, and I don't want you to miss out on any of these videos. If you have any questions at all, leave them below. And if you've gotten any value out of this video, please share it. And last but not least, most important thing, click the link in the description and get started on this offer and change your life and change everybody else around you, whether it's your spouse, your children, any loved one, mother, father, whoever, the people that you want to change their life with you also. So take a step, move forward, educate yourself. Self-development is the best thing to do right now. And with us being stuck at home right now, it's you have to look for other way out beside the 9 to 5, because apparently it's things are changing a lot. I wish you guys the best luck, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. Talk to you soon. Bye.